Bukan na ano sulat. So ako sa imo ito 50. Tapos in lang 250. Tapos so ini toyo 150. Anoan lima.
Danggit mo da so set 250.
Tapos 150.
Pilang peraso yung danggit?
Ano?
So, set
Siya.
tuyo.
Ano yan ang sample?
Hello, show. Mega love show. Kamusta, show? Kamusta? Kamusta, show? Show, how are you? I'm fine. How about you? I am fine. How about you? Always depressed. Why? What happened? Why depressed? From what reason? Sure, why? What's the problem? Fear of future. What do you think? What are you thinking about your future? Don't think too much. You are still young. It's okay to think the future, but don't fear it. Don't feel the fear. It's not good. Relax. Enjoy yourself. You're still young. What do you think? What are you thinking? For example, what do you fear? Job, family, pressure, scary future ahead. Sure, family pressure, job, you can find job. Don't worry. Family pressure, it's normal. But I try to manage. Scary future ahead. First, you have to be serious in your life. Focus what do you want and don't think fast. Slowly. It's not easy. The future ahead. Slowly you can focus one thing and work it. You will be rich. You can be rich whatever what you want. You're still young, so if you are with me, I will success in every field. So don't focus one thing. Be be inspiration. Be feel be feel inspiration one of your what you want. Feel it an inspiration. We don't know if the everyday fails to be success. We don't know. Sometimes success, sometimes no. First, you have to find a job. If you have money, you can do everything, whatever you want. Money is one of the instrument. I'm not going everywhere. I am here in YouTube. If you reach one thing and you will become success, I am here. I will not leave. told you, sure you are still young. Too much thing will happen. Yeah, but there is very different culture. People accept in this age. You have to take responsibility of your parents. Yes, you are right. You have two brothers. Don't be alone. Not only you to suffer this responsibility. You have to I heard Josephine loves me. You know, sure. We are joking about this. But if you believe, it's up to you. We're joking. No, Josephine have family. Josephine is a joker. Don't serious about but I love JM. Don't serious first show. Don't make serious about the social media. Some of them it's not real. So at that time we are joking about that. And don't serious about ramen. Ramen is joker only. Joking only. So of course me, I need to slow the one what he's saying. I will not I will not upset the people who's coming my life except that they will uh, not respect me. I believe that one day it will become a serious one day. But now I know it's not. You think that Ramin is joking at me? I believe to Ramin. I'm just kidding. Yeah, you think that I believe Ramin? One day he will run away. He will not stay forever in in my life. One day he will gone, and you also you will gone. Even you tell me that you love GM, you love GM. I don't believe that if there is no action, you know that. Yani, one day I met guy here in the for example, I will not tell you that you will do. For example, you show. If you if you are serious, you will stay in my life, or you will do whatever you want. You in sa reality. Yani, you are talking like this, you are talking like this, that you are very nice and you're planning to go to Philippines to meet me. Like this. So, yani, I'm not believing what is your plan. But if you convince me and what you want to, what is your plan, if you convince me, maybe it's one day we can meet each other or we can together or like this. And you want to go to, oh JM, give me your address, give me your name, give me your, I will go Philippines, this one like this like. If I don't like, of course, how you will come in Philippines. If I like to meet you, I will give you my my personal identity. If I like, if no, even you like it, if no, if I don't like, you cannot come in Philippines. How you will find me there, or even here in Jordan, how you will find me if I will not give you my identity? Even you will come here in Jordan, I will not go everywhere. I will not tell you wherever, where is, where I am. Maybe if you will come here, I will run away also if I don't like. If I like, of course, I will meet you. Like this social media. Don't be serious, Pranisho. Just enjoy ourselves. Me, I'm enjoying talking with you, enjoying to go to police station and file missing reported. Of course, they will not believe you. Who you? Even you will go there. Of course, he will he will uh, make a report. This is true, like this, like this. I will tell to the police. Don't. I will search the, what you call that. They will detect if this is true or no. Of course, they will not. They will not come. They will not follow you if you will say like this. She is losing. They will. They will do their job. Okay, like this. One day. Yeah, but not. Don't make hurry. One day, but we don't know when. Maybe you like to meet me. Maybe I don't like to meet you. Like this, the situation. Or maybe one day I like to meet you, but you are you are the one to change the mind, and you don't like also. You don't like this. This is the the situation happened with us. Maybe now you like, now maybe you like. One month, 2 months, 1 year, 2 years, maybe you like. Me, I don't like. Maybe like this. After 2 years, maybe I like. Where is show? I didn't see show. I miss show. Oh, but you ran away. You didn't come to my life. No contact. No what like this. Oh, time will change. So don't worry. Time will change. Maybe one day I will not make live how you contact me in Instagram. How in Instagram I will not I will yani cut my Instagram. I will cut my social media account. How you contact me? Nothing. Okay, maybe one day as a friend I will agree what you want as a friend one day. JM, come to India. I will send you money. Come to India. Maybe like this, I will go there, or maybe I will not come. Maybe I'm scared to go there alone, or what. Maybe I will go there. I will surprise you, or I will go there. You don't know. I am in front of your face like this. We don't know. We don't know that. Sure, what will happen. Impossible. Oh, possible to come there, me and Josephine, one day. But of course, this is not one of our priority because we have Josephine have a family. Oh, me, I don't have family, but I have mother. I have mother with sick. This is not my priority. Of course, I want to take care my mom. I want to uh, heal my mom fast. This is my priority. I told you I am older than you. I didn't think that I will marry someday. Or if there is, what you call that, serious that somebody can help me to my problem. Of course, maybe I will agree. Yes, family first. Because no one can help the family, only your family. Relatives, they will not help except your family. Maybe they will help, but not the full support, the relatives. For example, you want to go to Philippines, but you don't have money to go there, or you have money, but your family need the money. What you will do? Yani you will go. You will first to go in Philippines, then then your family need money? Of course, no. You don't know the future when you go than your family to help your family. So you are still young, I tell you. You have to find job and save your money 50-50 or 75% save your money and 25% of your salary. You can do whatever you want. So after 5 years, 10 years, you have a lot of money. You can do whatever you want. Now you're saying you don't have job. How you will do whatever you want if you don't? It's difficult to plan without money, without job. It's depend if you are rich, your family rich, even you don't have job, you can do whatever you want. If you are rich, maybe you are rich. But if you are simple life, you have a simple life, you cannot do whatever you want. You can do, but not all. Me now, I have job. I cannot. Some of the I planning. It's not still not succeed. Still not success. Always planning, but it's difficult to do. You said harsh reality of life in simple words. You know, sure. Make it easy. Don't trust anyone. People always change. You can trust, but not 100%. You can trust, but not 100%. People, yeah, we don't know the mind of a person. We don't we cannot read the plan of this person except me. Let's see, sure, if you will not change. All the people, they change their mind, they change their decision. I don't believe that you didn't change your mind. Even your parents doesn't trust you. You see, Ramin is there. Ramin, she is making drama tonight. Sweetheart, you're sweet now. You're feeling sweet now, Ramin. Stay away from James. He is making drama, and every day she said depressed. It's not good like this. He's depressed since February. Maybe now, not. We don't know. Sure, we don't know. Ramin, we don't know. Sure, what his problem. But we need to support you. What he is saying. Maybe he have a big problem in his family. Maybe need a comfort. Depressed is not good. He needs to send super chat, then he might feel good. Your mind, Ramin. You see, the the internet not agree about your mind, Ramin. You know that sure, I know he is serious after he find job. I am very curious about his mental condition. Yeah, maybe sure have something problem to his family. We don't know about the background of Shu, but I know he want I feel he want a person who comfort him. Don't worry, you will find a job after the judgment day. Sure, I Ramin, you need to advise you. I know you are smart, Ramin, about this. You need to advise you. Maybe you have some problem in his life. You have to advise you. Because he's saying this one, I will give you a beautiful advice. He, he didn't say this if she didn't feel. Of course, he's saying this because he feel it. He feel he feel. That's why he's saying this in my live chat. As a brother Ramin, you can give beautiful advice of sure. Because always he is saying that he don't have job. He want now he is saying that he is fear. He have fear about future. So how he saying this if he didn't feel? As a brother, we can as a brother and sister we can give him an advice, a couple of advice. Rap about get those money and send a super chat into to jail. You will get free food and shelter. Ramin, you always joking. We are serious. Me and Shu is are serious. But you always I don't know Ramin what is inside your maybe Ramin you don't have a problem. I wish we are me and Shu is like you always happy and no problem because you know we know that you Ramin you are very I only have one problem. Yeah, I know. We know that you are rich. What? Homeless. You have job but you are homeless. How comes? Wait, wait guys, I will call my friend. Stay. Okay. Hello, be. Na-check mo na? 17 lang nakikita mo? Sa receipt. Sa receipt, B. B. Sa receipt. Sa receipt, B. Receipt. Oo, yan. Oo. Wala ka ng ano? Malabo, B. Hindi ka nagdi-delete? Meron yan. Sa akin nga, hindi ko. Meron yan. Baba mo pa. Patingin niya. Baba mo pa. Oh, bakit kaya? Hindi. Kasi yan din, naka-red pa siya. Hindi pa siya na-open. Doon ka sa, meron yan. Ba't ayaw gumana? Pero nakita mo yung ano, di ba number mo yon? Yung sinend ko sa'yo. Yung in-screenshot ko. Check mo yung ano, yung ano, kasi in-screenshot ko yun doon sa inbox ko. Kasi chinek ko, nakulang ako ng 1,000. Tapos, ang hindi ko pala na-record yung ano, yung July 5. Hindi ko na-record, sa record ko yung July 5. Tapos, ha? Bali, 6 na. Ano ko mamaya. Kasi di ba may July 5 ka pa. Isang buwan na. Sabi ko, bakit kaya nagkulang ako ng 1,000? Tapos, chinek ko yung record ko kasi
hindi naman siguro mapapasok nila kung di mo salita. Wala lang ako makita sa ang hindi ko na naka-scroll.
naalala ko, be, hindi ko pa na-send sa'yo kasi 2 beses ka nung nagpa-Gcash. Kasi hindi ko ba na-send sa'yo, busy siguro ako. Nung basta nagpasalamat ka na, hinayaan ko na kasi nandun na para sa thank you, be, sabi mo gano'n. Hinayaan, tingnan mo yung ano.
Saka na yung pagkamalito,
Oo.
iba lang.
Tingnan mo yung sinend ko nung July 14, yung oras na nag-thank you ka, nauna ako nag-send sa'yo. Tapos saka ka nag-thank you. 10:29 siguro yun. Ako, 10 ano. Tapos hindi ko pa na-send sa'yo. Kung na-receive mo na. Tingnan mo yung thank you mo. Oo, hindi ko naman yan. Bakit kaya ganun sa akin? Kaya dito hanggang sa pinakadulo nung kailan ako nag-umpisa. Nandito pa, pero pinag-i-erase ko na yung iba, yung ibang mga ano. Baka nag-auto-delete sa'yo. Baka auto-delete pag matagal na. Oo, baka nag-auto. Tingnan mo nga yung settings mo.
Kaya na nakikita ko na ang
July, bali July 14 na yun kasi Philippine time na yun, 10 ano na dito sa atin doon 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3 o'clock na AM.
Pero wala akong natanggap. Na July 14, 13.
13 yan, Bet. 13 yan, 13. 2 o'clock at saka 10. Oo, 13 yan sa atin. Dito. Kasi yung isa, July 13, 2 o'clock. Tapos, nagpahabol ka pa ng gabi noon, ng 10 o'clock. Sa atin, alas 3 na. O, dalawang 13 dyan. Pero yung isa, 40 na yun sa Pilipinas. Oh, buti naman.
Ano pala nakalagay na auto?
Ha?
Nakalagay pala.
Patingin nga, Ben.
Meron 13 siya.
Oh.
Sa atin na ang hanapon.
Oo. 13 siya dito, Be. Kasi dito man natin sinend. Ay, dito man.
Okay, so walang problema. Kaya,
Sabi ko, i-check mo to. Eh, ano ko mamaya, Be, ha? Check ko muna mamaya, ha?
kung may lima na ibigis ko na 1,000, pwede ibalik 1,000 para liparaan. Pwede.
Sige, no problem. Okay, no problem. Oo. Oo, Be. Sige.
Dahil ba din ang CS ko, may tsaka bayad para.
Oo, oo,
Dahil
okay.
baka kung labas na, mag-iwan ka lang.
Oo. Kung may ano ka, Gcash ka, pwede mo naman send sa akin. Wala namang problema.
Kaya nga, di 15 lang yung ano, like sabihin mo lang takot sa
Oo.
problema.
Oo, oo. Pasensya na, Be.
Ay, ano mo ba? Okay lang yun. Kaya naman siyempre, basta may record, may kapapasang ko, wala. Mga talikutin lang ako kasi ang hindi lang ko.
Oo, ganun din na ako. Tapos, nung kinumpute ko na, kasi nagkukumpute ako bilang, ano siya, weekly pa. Nagkukumpute ako. Nung mga karaan, hindi ko pa nakumpute kasi super busy ako. Tapos, nung kagabi, sabi ko, bakit nagkulang yung, ano ko, yung pera ko. Tapos, chinek ko ng chinek. Naka-2 page na ako. Ulit na naman ako. Sabi ko, kulang talaga ako 1,000. Yun, chinek ko yung record ko sa, ano, saan ba ako? Chinek ko yung record ko doon sa telepono. Tapos, inano ko doon sa notebook ko. May notebook kasi ako. Hindi ako magtali. Oh. May notebook kasi ako. Tapos, meron ako yung maliit na para pag nagtanong. Ito yung dala-dala ko pag umalis ako. Oh, ito yung mga lista ng may ano ako. Kasi para madali ko. By pages kasi yan. Isang tao, isang ano. Para hindi ako malito. Oh, tapos dito, sabi ko, kulang ako ng isang lista. Chinek ko yung sinend ko sa'yo. Yung una pala, hindi ko nalista. Pero yung 14, nalista ko. Tsaka 13. Kasi dito ako nagbase sa telepono, kaya 13, 14 siya. Nagbase ako sa telepono. Eh, Pilipinas, ano na yun, madaling araw na sa atin. Mga alas 10. Oo. Kasi alam ko, 2 beses ka nagpahabol na nasunod-sunod eh. Natandaan ko. Tapos ngayong last na, sabi ko, parang nagpahabol pa to si. Ikaw talaga ang una kong naisip. Sabi ko, parang may kulang. I-check ko nga. Nung chinek ko sa'yo lang talagang pangalan. Sakto talaga. Hindi ako nahirapan. Hindi na ako nagano sa iba. Sabi ko, sa isa yun na. Kaya sabi, oo. Nag-isip nga din ako, sabi mo di ba 5 na, tapos pahabol ka pa ng isa. Sabi niya, ay, 5 na. Sabi niya, ay 4 lang pala, pahabol ako ng isa para 5. Parang nag-isip ako, sabi ko, nga, parang 5 na nga din to. Pero di ba ako umimik nun? Di ako umimik. Sabi ko, basta may record ako, base. Sabi ko, nagpa-plancha ako nun.
Basta kasi pinansin ko lang naman eh.
Oo. hindi nung sinabi mong 5 na, tiningnan ko din yung record mo. Sabi ko, 4 pa lang. Pero i-check ko, sabi ko, gano'n sa sarili ko. Ba sabi ko, ang sagot ko sa'yo, ma-record naman ako, be. Sabi niya, sabi ko, huwag ka mahalal, record ako. Kaya gano'n.
Oo, basta, pinapasyan ko yun.
Oo, yung stretch.
Dapat, ay magpapala.
Oo.
Hindi ko naman na, hindi naman ako nagbibigay sa kanya. Sige pa, sabi na lang, sige pa.
Hindi kasi ako, kampante naman kasi ini-erase ko yung mga screenshot ko na yun kasi full memory na ako. Kampante naman ako na may record ako dun sa Gcash mismo. Hindi kasi ako nag-erase nun.
Kasi ako ngayon na, yung oo. Tapos, sabi na, pinag-alok ko sa akin,
Ah,
pinulungan ko, ngayon hindi na kayang tulugan. Ay, tinanong sa akin kung kaya mo kuhanin.
kunin.
Parang 90 days, hindi ko off.
Sayang yun, kunin mo na.
Tinapang niya ako ngayon. Tinanong niya, sabi niya, uuwi ka ba? Sabi ko, hindi ko uuwi. Bibigyan ko talaga ng libo. Sabi niya, aba, ay di, tinanong ko, hindi ko lang bakit. Sabi ko, oo. Sige, libo ako.
Talaga, ang bait naman.
Tinapang niya ako gano'n. Sabi ko, sige, bigay ko.
Utang yun.
Hindi.
Oh, galing. Parang parang, anong tawag dito? Ganun. Ang galing naman.
Pero maganda ko para makapos na yun. Pero ano na, pwede ka na dahil parang bayad ang nagsasaon. Pwede na nakalipan yung mga talipan. At least nakalipa ako ng dati. Diba? Yung masasabi sa ako. Dalawa na doon yung atika ko. Tapos bata. Wala pa nga ito. Focus ko. Kasi din sa pag-apit ako na yun yung pag-ilang hindi ang mga bata. Parang ako na nag-advise sa kids na nila. Kung tutusin, pwede na ako lumagpatulan. Parang sila may pag-iyak ang iyak. Kanina, yan, may ang sarili ko lang. Para pagkakalabas na ako, napag-iyak.
Nag-ipon-ipon ka na kahit pa paano.
Walang mga yan sa tao.
Oo.
Kita mo yung iba, diba? Alam mo, talagang tanong sa dalang mo, pero hindi na makaas.
Correct.
Diba?
Kaya, tama. Kaya,
Taon man eh, ano, kasi hindi naman ikaw ulan yung tao mo, hindi ka, hindi mo kasi sa tao mo, hindi ka,
mostly talaga pagdating sa pera, sira talaga lahat. Kaya mas okay pa na iba yung anuhin mo sa pera na yan. Magka problema man kayo, walang problema kasi ibang tao yun. Pero pag sariling tao, tiniwalaan mo na sa... Mm. Kaya ako, B, hindi ako masyadong nagbibigay sa mga... Pagbigyan ko muna siya, B, ha? Pagbigyan ko muna. Pero pag binigyan ako ng sakit ng ulo, unti-unti na yan na mag-iikis. Kahit pa maliit ang utang sa akin, pag binigyan mo ako ng problema, ikis ka na sa akin. Although nakukonsensya ako. Ay, tingnan mo, di ba? Maraming bumalik sa iyo. Tingnan mo, di ba? Maraming blessing. Tingnan mo. Ako naman, meron din akong bumalik na blessing, pero hindi naman kasing dami naman. Pero okay lang naman. Yung mga nanggaya din sa akin. Mm. Pumunta ka sa second circuit. 82. O nung linggo 82.25. Sana more blessing pa. Mm. Mm. Ay, oo. Hindi. Wala naman kasing masyadong blessing kay Mats, kaya nanghihinayang siya sa mga ganyan. Naiintindihan ko naman siya. Oo, walang ano. Kaya nga pag umuutang yan sa akin na meron ako, binibigyan ko yan. Kasi one time binigyan ko, sabi niya, akala ko ganito lang. Sabi ko, ganun ko. O sige, kung magkano gusto mo akin na, ginaganon ko. Kasi naiintindihan ko naman siya kasi marami siyang pinagdadaanan. Kaya lang minsan, pag umutang siya sa akin, nagkakataon na wala ako, iwan ko ba? Oo, wala akong balance. Oo, iwan ko, bakit nagkakataon? Pero pag meron naman ako, nabibigyan ko na. Hindi, alam mo kasi kung magkano inuutang niya minsan. 2, 3, 4, mga ganun. Minsan ang balance ko lang, 1 pababa, 2 pababa. Ganun lang ang balance ko. Kaya, lalo pag umutang siya ng mga bago magkatapusan, wala ako niya. Kasi ang mga bayaran pa niyan, katapusan. Wala na kasing kumukuha ng ganyan. Wala na, kunti na lang ang kumukuha ng mga ganyan, tsaka mga first week ng sahuran, konti ang kumukuha niyan. Ang marami, kalahati. Sino? Oo. Oo, mabait din siya. Hindi siya na nangihinayang sa pera. Oo. Kinuha na.
Ha?
Kinuha na. Diretso.
Kapag abot ko, pinabukas na kasi. Parang ang account ko.
Ayos baga.
Pero ba yun?
Mm.
Wala.
May na signal.
Buti ka lang kayo dito sa
1 bar lang dito sa baba. Hirap. Sa taas naman hindi naman ako doon masyado pag nagtatrabaho ako. Pag mga GCash lang, saka lang, pero pag may mga tumatawag hindi ako nag-a-accept. Mama ko lang. Kasi mama ko may may sakit. Kaya inaano ko.
may sakit.
Oo, na-stroke nanay ko kaya umuwi ako nung December. Na-stroke nanay ko.
Yan. Noon, nagkas ka ng nanay ko na alaga ako na pangalan ko ng pamilya na ako namatay na. Namatay, dinampakan ko na ako. Bumalik ko dito. 1 month lang ay namatay. Hindi na ako nakauwi.
Ayun ang mahirap. 'Di ba?
Kaya ito sa akin tatay.
Yun ang mahirap. Pag umuwi ka, hindi pa namatay. Tapos pag
Pero nung nanay ko pwede, sabi niya, pag hindi naman siya wag daw ako uuwi.
nagbili naman.
Ang nanay ko gayon din.
Mm.
Pero tutugaan sa video.
Oo. Pero at least nakita mo na
Kaya,
buhay pa.
at saka alagaan ko, 2 buwan. Nagkaroon siya ng breast cancer.
Hindi naagapan.
Ilan? Oo, dahil hindi daw malasakit. Tapos, noon pag maliit pa, nang naramdaman kasi, alam mo yung photo, di ba may photo, pumaltik yung sumunod na Kaya sabi, ingat tayo sa mga
Ay, oo, yung laging na
Ay, alam mo yung aking ilang kasi nagkaroon siya.
mm, don't worry about money. No, ramen. Not money, not totally. No, I didn't problem about money. I don't want to be to your brother is always there to help you. Ramen. I don't know what I am telling you. I mention not me. Ramen. Because I have a little business here. small business about money. Although it's not good to business about money. For emergency only. Because here in Jordan, they cannot go out yan every day. Sometimes there is problem about money in Philippines. I'm not rich. I'm not rich. I'm helping people. I'm helping Filipino here. Not yan not rich. I don't know what, but help me to. They are not a Filipino. Because how I how I send money. Tell me who will as I send money in Philippines. What? Because nice. Yeah, because here in Jordan, we cannot go to the bank to send a money in Philippines. It's easy to send with the number to number. Maybe there is like this in Russia. You can send money by number. I appreciate you, Julian. Yeah, only small, not yan not big. For my milk. For my milk. Thank you, Rami. Only how many people I'm helping here? Not all. You are always a queen of heart. Not yeah. I mean not not too much people. I have maybe 10 person like this. Yani, not all. Not all. I can help them. Sometimes they are scammer. They said, I will pay you when I go out. I will pay you when I have money. If I have money, then they run away. But it's okay. I will not stop my small business to to come back the one who is scam me like Ramen. Even 1% is enough if you are truly sincere. Yes, or like this. You know that too much Filipino, too much Filipino have a small business like me. They they uh, income too much more than their salary. But me, enough for me the little one for the bread, for the shampoo, I will not uh, I will not take it from my salary for my taxi. Sometimes for my beauty beauty products. Yes, like this only, not too much. I don't like the too much percent. Yani, here there is 10%, there is 20%. Me, enough for me the 5%, 3%, 4%, like this. Because I have expenses also, not some it's too much beauty product. This is not too much, only one powder, one cream, one lotion, one for the kilikili underarm. I also want to contribute your business after 4 months. Ramen, you can. This is my advice to you, Ramen. You can make something small business in your house. Oh, you can think about business in your house, small business. Start from this small business show. Don't say that you don't have job. Even in Philippines, here, example ramen, I'm making polvoron. How much I sell it in 1 GT. So I make it 7 or 5. I have 5 JDs. So this is for the taxi. This is the 5 GD is taxi back and forth, or sometimes 6, 7 the taxi. So I will not cut in my salary.